I wasn't sure if this day would arrive. People told me it would, and here I am. But rather than whine about it, I'm just going to do the simple thing and ask for your help.
In times like these, the government often turns to Hollywood for help.
I think the ask is simple. I need to know what kind of videos you want to see me doing on here. You see, I've been at this for a few years now, and I've given every single lesson I can think of. I've reviewed just about every piece of gear and software that I use regularly enough to talk about honestly, and sometimes I've even just jammed with other YouTubers. Back when I started the channel, I was hoping I was going to make enough money with ad revenue to buy some cool gear to keep doing reviews with, but I quickly found out that these channels do not make much money. Just the same though, I really enjoy teaching lessons that resonate with other players, and the comments I get make it completely worth it. So if you have anything you'd like to see me cover on here, please comment below and let me know. And until then, I'm just going to play some guitar. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.